Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your Gorenje oven. So if you have just purchased a Gorenje oven or the controls seems confusing to you, here is exactly how you can turn it on and start cooking in just a few simple steps. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply locate this type of start/stop button on your oven. If you see the power button, you just have to simply press that. So once you have done that, you just have to simply take a look at the knob. So on knob controlled models, you just have to simply turn the function selector knob from the off position to a cooking mode such as bake, fan bake or conventional heating. Afterwards, you just have to choose any of the cooking modes that you use. On most of the Gorenje ovens, often options like fan assisted baking, top and bottom heat, grill mode and the pizza modes are available. So you just have to simply turn the function selector until your preferred cooking symbol appears on the display. Now what you need to do is you need to simply rotate the temperature control knob and then use the touch controls in order to select your desired cooking temperature. For most of the baking recipes, you will typically need to choose between 170 to 200 degrees Celsius. On touch control modes, you just have to simply press and hold the start button to begin heating. On many knob control models, the oven starts automatically once the cooking function and the temperature is selected. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.